TOPTICA's iChrome CLE delivers 4 colors of stable laser illumination through a single-mode polarization-maintaining fiber. The CLE unlocks the potential of many microscopy applications, including powerful new technologies such as Lightsheet microscopy.
In Lightsheet fluorescence microscopy, only a thin volume is illuminated with laser light, and the fluorescence is recorded with a fast and sensitive camera. The main advantages are its low phototoxicity and the high acquisition speed, which makes the technique ideal for long time-lapse experiments and fast recordings of, for example, brain activity or blood flow. The Flamingo Project's goal is to make Lightsheet microscopy accessible to more biologists with a compact, high-end microscope. Rather than sending precious samples from one lab to another, we want to send flamingos to the users so they can do the experiments in their own labs. It allows us to effectively engage in more frequent and more diverse collaborations with people all over the world. For the first time, we've created a portable experimental setup with a performance that is comparable to the technology we use every day in our lab. The microscope's modularity allows us to change its configuration quickly and to adapt it to different samples. All flamingos are capable of capturing high-speed single-plane movies, fast 3D stacks in multiple colors, and time-lapses. By sharing our knowledge and instruments with the community, more people get access to state-of-the-art imaging technology.
The compact, robust design of the CLE enables a fully integrated portable Lightsheet microscope like the Flamingo to be shared among distant collaborators, while providing laser illumination at 405, 488, 561, and 640 nanometers. The automatic alignment ensures the instrument is ready to run at each collaborator site, and the Cool AC feature provides stable illumination for time-lapse studies.
Anyone around the world can request an instrument to do an experiment with a Lightsheet microscope, and anyone can reproduce the data with the same instrument.